Cam set us up wing on wing as we go down Derby Channel. It's so great that we don't have to motor down here. We have the line out.
Here at Dawson's Landing, and are you trying to get in there?
Just for a sec.
We're here at Dawson's Landing, and we saw a grizzly bear with a baby earlier. Here's the footage.
Sure.
So cute. You guys wanna look? Let the cub out.
Coming.
Why not? Anyone?
They carry on, Cam.
Pretty cute, don't you think? I think so.
Baby. Are you the baby? Or the sow?
What?
Hey? Where's the footage?
Well, the footage is gonna play afterwards
Oh, yeah.
in the edit, Mom.
Okay.
That's how it works.
Some photos here. Doc's a little rickety. No, he was born and raised here, as was his, I think she said 32-year-old daughter, maybe 22. That's in there.
Yes,
Oh,
we're setting up our meal. We have corn that we bought at the store, and then we have a salad, and we have our cocktails, and we're just waiting for the barbecue stuff to come. It's gonna be yum.
A beautiful sail.
Coming into Joe's Bay in Fish Egg Inlet. The thing that's special about this place is there's a lagoon that's nearby, and when it's flooding, it's like a waterfall.
You don't need to go close to it.
Oh, no, I know, but I'm just being...
There's all this foam coming from the lagoon. And up there's a little waterfall that happens in the currents, in the rapids at this time. Chutney enjoys a good little grass spot on shore to go to the washroom, and the further we get north, the more that's hard to find. Today is hull cleaning day.
The water temperature was around 17 this morning, so we figured probably not going to get that cool or that warm for a while as we head north. So we've taken the opportunity to all get in the water and clean the bottom. And we're going to change the zigs as well. It's just
cold. Oh, that was very cold. We stayed in for about an hour, but we got the bottom clean. Yay. Oh, I was very chilled for a while, but I've recovered. I've booked a flight back to Montreal for the end of the summer. We're going to Pruth Bay today, where the Haka Institute is. And We're just picking up our prawn trap. It's just in the water over there somewhere.
Okay, between the stays, okay?
Get up here. We're sailing along, 17 knots of wind. We're going about 8 knots. We were going 10 a little bit earlier.
Knots of wind, and we're about 55 degrees off the wind. 9.3, 9.4 knots.
Right up to 10.
Yeah, I don't know if you touch the wheel. It's just perfectly,
So balanced.
yeah. Such a nice thing about this boat is that you get the sails right.
Mom, what is it we're getting up to over here?
Oh. Well. as you
Yeah,
can
that's not
see,
how it should work.
This has been, we noticed this was sticking up when it was wound around the furling. And so we've taken out the sail, we've kind of pushed it through the hatch, got the sail rod all ready to go. And I'm hoping I'll be able to sew this like sailor. I'm hoping we'll be able to get it through. It's not going to be easy.